Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, Motospectrum. Today we're diving deep into a machine that blurs the lines between the power of a commercial-grade truck and the luxury of a fully equipped home on wheels. This is not just any RV, this is the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome conversion, a beast born on the highways and reborn for adventure. Let's get one thing clear. The Kenworth T2000 was never designed to be a motorhome. It started life as a serious, long-haul truck, built for endurance, power, and comfort for truckers clocking in thousands of miles a week. But some folks out there had a vision to take the bones of this machine and transform it into a custom motorhome unlike anything else on the road. And honestly, the result is nothing short of spectacular. When you first lay eyes on it, the T2000 Motorhome stands tall, literally and figuratively. It's longer, taller, and more imposing than your average RV. With its aerodynamic front, sloped windshield, and signature Kenworth grille, it demands attention. But the real magic starts when you step inside. Opening the door, you're not just stepping into a living space, you're stepping into a story. Most conversions are custom jobs, and that means every interior tells a tale of taste, creativity, and practicality. The one we're reviewing today features a spacious layout with a full-size bed in the back, a lounge area up front, a compact but fully functional kitchen, and even a bathroom with a shower. Yes, all of that inside a former semi-truck. What strikes you first is the build quality. This isn't slapped together with plywood and hope. We're talking about real cabinetry, polished countertops, integrated lighting, and thoughtful storage solutions. Every inch of the cabin has been maximized.